Defense Secretary Gilberto Teodoro Jr. described China's reference to Scarborough Shoal as Huangyan Island as a Freudian slip, implying possible reclamation activities. The defense chief then assured that the government will strengthen the defense posture of the Philippines amid challenges in the West Philippine Sea and China's continued violation of the 2016 arbitral ruling. Patrick De Jesus reports.
A majority of Filipinos continue to support the government's transparency initiative in the West Philippine Sea. According to an Okta research survey conducted last month with 1,200 respondents, 80% said the government should continue to make public the incidents happening in the West Philippine Sea. China's harassment continues, carried out not only by their ships but also by their air assets such as fighter jets and military helicopters. Recently, China also declared the establishment of a nature reserve in Scarborough Shoal, which it calls Huangyan Island. This is among the developments being closely monitored, according to Defense Secretary Gibo Teodoro.
Shoal yun, hindi island yun. So ano ibig sabihin? Gagawa sila ng isla? Kaya talagang hindi mapapagkatiwalaan niya mga yan. Talagang kailangan mas puspusan ang ating deterrence kasama ng ating mga kaalyado at puspusan din ang mga legal initiatives natin laban sa kanila.
In another Okta research survey, the United States remains the most trusted country among most Filipinos. 69% believe the U.S. is an important partner of the Philippines in addressing China's aggression in the West Philippine Sea. The government, meanwhile, is expanding its partnerships with other countries, including those in the European Union. The status of visiting forces agreement between the Philippines and France is expected to be finalized soon, while the United Kingdom has expressed its intent to pursue a similar pact.
We are converged and we agree on the need to resist and deter. The keyword is deter. Any attempt to change the international order to the detriment of our people, our country, and most importantly, for our future generations.
Patrick De Jesus from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.